Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy, and we back again with another one. I need to bring y'all an update on the whip. So, the Saturn, or I have now officially renamed as the Hell Saturn. You see it. Like I said, it's still been making progress. Haven't really been doing a lot to it. I think the last place we left off was the AC wasn't doing what it was supposed to do. We got a charge on the AC, so now the AC is good. AC work, heat work, like boom, boom, boom. The only thing that is a little bit questionable, which I mean, the car stops, but the brakes, I feel like, do a little shuddering. So probably just got to get some pads and rotors on there. I think I bought them already, but I might have returned the pads. I think I looked up under there and seen they had like drilled and slotted rotors. Like, just total overkill for a car like this. And went from there. But yeah, everything been good. I am thinking about replacing this radio, probably just with another one of the exact same kind. That way I can just boom, boom, plug and play. So something is going on with the knob to where when you try to adjust the volume, it doesn't respond. So, you know, I mean, but what do you expect when you buy some shit from Walmart, right? All right, we back. So, like I was saying though, it ain't really a whole lot more that I feel that we need to do. Car is, for the most part, like I said, mechanically sound. Let me see. It don't give me the mileage. But just know I done put a couple of tanks of gas through this thing. Probably one thing that I know for sure I need to like take a look at is this. I know the lady said the trunk, something about the trunk opening and closing. Like if you was to unlatch it, it won't latch back. So that's probably something I have to get into like on a Friday night and try to figure out why that ain't doing what it's supposed to do. But like I said, other than that, I mean, other than just like a good hand detail, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, for the first whip, it's good. Like I said, it's nice little gas saver. Shit. Like I said, we done put our little touches on it, made it do what it do. Put a little screen in there, you know, with the Apple CarPlay and shit. Which actually I was supposed to be taking that shit out of there to experiment with it. I'm a little DoorDash shit in the back here. That's just parts for another car coming soon. Oh, there go my fucking beanie. I was looking for that bitch. But yeah, man, like I said, it really ain't a whole bunch more. Like I said, tent job, terrible, but it is what it is. I didn't want to necessarily invest that into the car at that time. You know what I'm saying? But once I do decide to go ahead and give it to her, you know what I'm saying? We'll go ahead and put a fresh, you know what I mean, on that thing. But yeah, so I mean, that's pretty much it. So like I said, other than the brakes, you know, doing the front brakes, see what's going on with that. If the rotors is warped or whatever, they probably cheaply made drilled and slotted rotors. I mean, they put them on a fucking Saturn, for Christ's sake. So that in the trunk, and I think we should be good. You know what I mean? As far as a little first little beater bop, you know, she still got some shit that she gotta complete. and fulfill on her end, you know what I'm saying, before she get the car, but it's gonna be ready for her, you know what I'm saying. She's definitely gonna be ready for it when she get it. So if anybody knows, there is this little thing that does happen when I get like below half a tank in the car, and I be sitting there just idling. I don't think it ever happens when I'm in drive, but if I'm just sitting there, you know, scrolling through my phone and shit, car idling, it will like cut off. It'll crank right back up, but it does something funny, and it only happens when it's under half a tank, like like a quarter of a tank. Above that, like it doesn't replicate. You know what I'm saying? Like it'll cut off. I'll do it. I'll go put some gas in there, and then shit, I'll go back and I'll sit just like I was before, and it be fine. So I don't know. We'll figure it out though. We will figure it out. Yeah, man, let me know what y'all thinking about the hell Saturn. And shit, like I said, that's pretty much like a wrap for that one. Shit, I wish this could have been my little, I mean, I probably wouldn't have been checking for no Saturn. That's just a little ding. And of course, you know, the first car is gonna have some dings and shit. Does it get my child up and down the road safely? You know what I'm saying? That's what matters to me. So we definitely got her one, so she should be good. But yeah, man, like I said, if there's anything else y'all can think of, how do I flip this camera? If there's anything that you can think of that I need to check, should check, could add or change or whatever, then definitely let me know. Put it down in the comments, man. I will take it into consideration before we get it to baby girl and it's hers for shit show. So we'll see though. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Yeah, bitch, I'm still at it.